Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for landing, please turn off and stow all portable electronic devices. Any device with the on-off switch should now be turned off. Please return your seat back and your tray table to the full upright and lock position. If you're holding on to a service item, if you have any unwanted reading materials such as newspapers, magazines, anything you intend to leave on the aircraft, if you would be so kind as to pass everything to the flight attendants in the cabin. This is Charlotte. We will be landing shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of U.S. Airways, my pleasure to welcome you to Charlotte. The local time is 9:52. Please remain seated until the aircraft has been parked at the gate. The fasten seatbelt light will be turned off. That will be your indication that it is safe to stand. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments. The use of cell phones is now permitted. All other electronic devices must remain off.